drip drip donsa manzi kwangena ulungstar kwabamanzi ngeke nilunge bashana bami sefikile ulungstar ngedrip imali angeke kusalunga tetani ufikile umnini weplazi.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is I, your girl, Lungstar Leo. So guys, joining the Lou gang is very easy. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button, like, and also comment. And don't forget to click that notification bell, honey, for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I'm back again with another video, which is a story time and a mukbang. I'm not sure if it's a mukbang, whatever you guys want to call it, but we're having that, child. So let me show you guys what I'm having. So this is what I'm having. It's a burger and some small onion chips, and also we have our lemon twist. So guys, like I did say, we'll be having a story time. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so guys, hey, okay, so here was I chilling at home, alright, hiking chillile. Like I planned that day to be my movie day, just my me time, you get. So I was just chilling at home, relaxing, minding my own business. So my friends came over. So let's just give them names. Let's say it's Lorraine and Kayla. Yeah, Lorraine and Kayla. Okay, so they both came and they were like, we came here to check up on you, but we actually want us to go out and chill with the guys. So apparently we used to chill with some other guys. They're like a group of guys. There's so many. We used to chill with them and also drink. You understand? It was just normal chillers. Okay, so I was like, okay, you know what? Let me just get dressed and let's go out. Why not? Okay, so we went out. We got them. So apparently when we get them, when we chill with the guys, we don't buy drinks, we don't buy food. They just do everything for us, right? That's like bonus. So we chilled and chilled. And during the day, there was this other guy, of which is like a new guy there. So the guy was looking at me and so the guy was busy looking at me, and I was also looking at him. Like, okay, let's look at the chat. Why not? You understand? So read that thing and look began a okay, fine. Hey, fine. We chilled and chilled and chilled, and then later around 5 p.m. I was like, you know what? Let me just tell Lorraine, my friend, about this guy, about what's happening. Okay. So I went to Lorraine. I told him that hey girl, so you understand? I think the guy also approached me. He told me that he actually has a crush on me. I was like, oh, okay, all right. And then I went to tell Lorraine. I told her that day, okay, so. And Lorraine was like, okay. So when I was in, and I was like, child, you know what? Let's just see what goes. You understand? Let's see what happens after. If a guy wants a serious thing, then it's fine. But if a guy doesn't want anything serious, but he just wants to play, then fine. Okay? Okay. Right? Then it was later in the evening, and we decided to go to a club. We went there together. Like we went there together, like with everyone. We went to the club. Haibo. We started dancing in the club, okay? We're having fun. Haibo, Stukutuku, Lorraine is missing. Haibo, Kenzagalani. I went to Kayla. I told her, "What Haibo, guys? What happened to Lorraine?" Okay. Kayla was like, "Oh, let's go look for her. I think she's around, maybe in the bathroom or something." We went to the bathroom. We didn't find Lorraine. I was like, "Okay." We went to the guys. We're like, "Guys, haven't you guys seen Lorraine?" And they were like, "No, Lorraine was here with let's give um the guy Kevin. His name will be Kevin." So they said Lorraine was here with Kevin, and they were just dancing and talking. "So where is Kevin?" And they were like, "Kevin was here like few minutes ago." I was like, "Okay, 1 + 1 is 2. Okay, sharp." Kevin left with Lorraine. Kevin left with Lorraine. Okay, said we continued actually. We danced and just had fun. We drank, we smoked happily, we had fun. This is actually nice, guys. It's nice. So we drank and then I was like, "Guys, now it's getting late and now I'm worried about Lorraine. Where the fuck is Lorraine?" We had to go back home. On our way going home, hey, hayi man, ngiyabona ukuthi loya noma bangathini, that is Lorraine. Phela Lorraine is my friend. I know how she walks, I know how she laughs. Yabona. So I see two people there standing, and I told Kayla that I am an mkhotsi. This is Lorraine. We had to walk a bit faster. Stukutuku haibo. Lorraine just disappeared. Kenzakalani? Hey. Hi. I'm good. Sharp. We had to walk. We continued walking with everyone, the guys and Kayla. We walked. Few minutes later, it's not even a few minutes, few seconds later, haibo, Stukutuku, I see someone hiding there. Ngithi man, Lorraine, is that you? And Lorraine was like, oh, she kept quiet at first. She kept quiet. And then Kayla was like, let's go in. Let's go check if that's her or what. And then Lorraine just came out. Haibo. Lorraine, okay, Lorraine, why are you hiding? What's happening? Lorraine ngiyayenza attitude yakhe. Akwatukela actel. Haibo. Samangala, what's happening? Did you say something wrong or something? What's happening? Few minutes later, Kevin came out. Hi, boom. Yeah? What's happening? What the F is happening? Yeah. Okay. So Lorraine was hiding, and Kevin was hiding with Lorraine. Sorry for the noise, guys. My son is here. So, guys, I started asking Lorraine, what's haibo, Lorraine? Why were you hiding, and why was Kevin hiding with you? Lorraine started giving me some attitude. Haibo. And I noticed that jacket that she was wearing. I was like, man, this is definitely Kevin's jacket. Kayla started laughing, and all the guys were laughing like, haibo. Okay, fine. We walked. Lorraine didn't want to talk to us. Kevin went to the guys, they spoke. Mm, okay, like everyone there knew that Kevin has a crush on me, you know. Okay, sharp. Okay, sharp. Sharp Fedden. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm done. I'm leaving. I'm going home. I'm done. Okay. I went home. Actually, no, I'm lying. I didn't go home. I went to Kayla's house because it's nearby. I slept there and woke up in the morning and went back home. Okay. I'm sorry that I'm lambing. So yeah, guys, the following, not the following day, a few weeks later, Kayla came. She came at my place and she was like, I'm here to fetch you. Let's go out and chill with the guys. I will. Nita, I'm not going back there. I am not going back there. Not after what happened. And Kayla was like, no, that's not what happened. Like it's not like that. And I was like, okay, fine. If it's not like that, then I don't wanna see Lorraine. I don't wanna be in one place with Lorraine. And she was like, no, she won't be there. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. If she's not gonna be there, then let's go. Okay, sharp. We went there. We went there, and then Lorraine came in a few minutes, like a few hours later, actually. She started staring at me, and I looked at her. I was like, "Yin girl, kenzahalan?" And she was like, I just want us to talk. In. I was like, I don't want to talk to you. There's nothing we have to discuss. Okay. We chilled and chilled and chilled and chilled and drank and smoked and Jay, we chilled. You get cool. Hi. This time we didn't go out. We didn't go to a club. We stayed there with the guys, with Kayla, with Lorraine, and with Kevin. Kevin couldn't even stare at me, guys. He couldn't look at me. Okay, cool. Cool. Later on that day, Kevin and Lorraine went missing again. Again. Hi. I went to Kayla. Kayla, Lorraine is missing again. What on earth is happening? And Kayla was like, Lorraine, missing. How? I was like, Aibo, girl, why am I doing something simple? Lorraine is missing. I went to the guys. I was like, guys, where is Kevin? Kevin went out to buy more drinks. And I was like, 1 + 1 is 2. 2 + 2 is 4. Never. 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 Hey. I sat down and I had to process everything. I was like, man. No. Impossible. Lorraine went out with Kevin for the second time. And guess what? Lorraine went to Kevin's place for the second time. I was like, friendship. What's this? Hey, guys. What's this? After I told you, the guy wants me, and I think I'll give him a chance, like we'll do something, nyana. And then when I suddenly you just decide to, what's that? What's that? Aibo. I've never been so much backstabbed. My friend backstabbed me so much. Hi. Like in gym, it was just something else. Like yeah, even when I start thinking about it, I'm like, what the fuck? Like what the fuck? What's this? But then the bonus is we're no longer friends. I don't want her in my life. I don't want her in my life anymore. I'm done with backstabbers. Yo, the right and the grand. No, like honestly, the right. So yeah, guys, my food is almost finished. Never. Gidlile. So yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys. Talk here, Guinea. Oh, Guinea. What's this? So guys, yeah, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please do give it a thumbs up, like, and also comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, so yeah, child, I'll see you guys on my next video.